Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're diving into the fabulous world of Italian meringue macarons. Yes, the fancy little cookies with a big attitude. Started by measuring out my icing sugar and almond flour. These two are like the power couple of macaron shells. Sweet, smooth, and slightly high maintenance. I didn't sift my almond flour because it's really fine. I will just whisk it with icing sugar and be done with it. And as always, the measurements will be in the description box. Always use your scale. Yes, macarons are dramatic, moody, and demand attention, and so do I before my coffee. It's a perfect match. Start measuring your egg whites and mix them with almond flour and icing sugar. Soon it will look like this soft ball and set aside. Measure out your second part of egg whites. We are going to whip those to be prepared for the hot syrup. Add water to your sugar and start cooking up to 118 degrees Celsius. Yes, we're using a thermometer. This is not a guesswork. It's dessert science. At this point, you can add your favorite color. We start now whipping egg whites. Fluffy, pure, innocent, just like me before I burned my first batch. Whip those eggs until soft peaks appear. Slowly pour in the hot syrup, like you're adding some drama to a soap opera. Continue whipping. It usually takes 4 to 5 minutes. And soon you should reach this consistency. This is perfect. And now we fold and fold and fold, gently, like you're petting a kitty, but firmly, like the kitty owes you rent. This part is crucial. Overmix and you'll cry. Undermix and you'll cry. It's the emotional roller coaster we all signed up for. As you can see, I used the half of the meringue to fold boldly. We're getting rid of bubbles and mixing vigorously. Then we add the rest of the meringue and start folding gently. Do not overfold. Do not count folds. This one is very funny. Check the consistency. I'm almost done. Sorry I didn't place my camera correctly, but I hope you can see a little bit of the flow. Piping time. Make sure they're the same size. This is not the time for individuality. It's the time for uniform fabulousness. I'm gonna be using the Teflon sheets. I don't like the silicone mats or parchment paper. After countless tries, I've picked this for me, and they are perfect. Some bakers leave them to dry until they get a skin, like us after too much sun and not enough SPF. I don't dry them. I leave 7 to 10 minutes until my oven is prepared with the right temperature. If you have a dual oven, that's great. You can bake both trays at once, but in my case, the second tray is drying anyway, about 18 to 19 minutes more. So I bake it 315 Fahrenheit for 17 to 19 minutes. Then I lower the temperature to 305 for the second tray, but still bake about 18-19 minutes. I'll start piping my second tray now. Tap, 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 and ready for oven. Oh, my cinnamon rolls are done too. My kitchen smells so delicious. Here we go. They're perfect. Have skirts, have meat, not sticking to my Teflon sheets, just sliding away to their final journey of getting frosted. Ooh, guess what? Frosted with maracuya, the passion fruit, and then coffee. Here we'll be matching them to Meringue with frosting. This recipe holds about 30 small macs, all depends on the size. You can make them bigger or smaller. Last night I've made this 2 frostings. They had to season for 12 to 14 hours for the best results. I will make another full video or some shorts to show you the process. It's so easy. And here comes the maracuya. Tangy, tropical, slightly chaotic. Basically, if a fruit had a personality. Look at this velvety texture. Okay, let's start piping these beauties. And here comes the coffee, because coffee fixes everything, even broken hearts and overbaked shells. Same silky, velvety texture, smells great, it's just delicious. Okay, it's sandwich time. Macarons are like soulmates, meant to be together. Some are coffee, some are passion, but all are fabulous. Look at them, smooth tops, perfect feet, filled with love, and of course butter. I love butter. Honestly, they could start an Instagram account. If you laughed, drooled, or both, hit like and subscribe. And remember, cracked shells still taste amazing, just like life.